And action.
Typing is hard. I'm sort of fast. I am fast on the stuff that I practice. I think it's driven everyone in the crew a bit crazy because in every break I'm practicing and it's quite loud. I have had extensive typing lessons. I think I did it for maybe 6 weeks before we started filming. I had a great teacher. Yeah, it's been brilliant because it's given me something concrete to really focus on and to really try and learn a skill and have that as a sort of grounding for the character. And the typewriters are so cool, they're beautiful, and it's amazing the girls that really did this in the war rooms. There was this army of girls, they couldn't tell their parents what they were doing and they were just there typing out everything that, you know, dictated the war. So it was a huge responsibility.
You ask what is our aim? Victory at all costs.